Okay, a very good afternoon, everyone. Okay, my name is Praveen sir, Praveen Shenoy sir. I look after the overall CBSE of entire Mumbai, and today I'm taking this meeting for a special reason. The reason behind it is obviously your subject improvement in terms of your two of the most favorite subjects. One is maths, and the other is science. How much ever we try, okay, somewhere or the other, we try to score marks over there, but we are not able to score. मैं ये नहीं बोलूंगा कि आप लोग मेहनत नहीं करते, मेहनत तो सब करते हैं, लेकिन कहीं ना कहीं वो मेहनत अपनी कम पड़ती है when it comes to these two subjects. Reason is when it comes to the English, second language and social studies, these subjects are all about learning, and learning हम लोग कर लेते हैं, थोड़ा बहुत लेसन का अंडरस्टैंडिंग मिल गया, हम लोग लर्निंग कर लेते हैं. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई वुड रिक्वेस्ट एवरीवन टू स्विच ऑन द वीडियो. Everyone. Okay. So somewhere or the other, when it comes to the subject of English, second language and social studies, just because these subjects are all about learning, we are able to score marks in these subjects. We won't face any difficulty over here. Am I clear? But when it comes to mathematics and science, what happens is we are not able to perform even if we try to do maximum efforts over here. मतलब हम सबको पता है, as compared to English, Hindi, Sanskrit or SHT, we put more efforts towards maths, but our marks are not showing it. Our marks are more in those subjects, but less in maths and science. Yes or no? So obviously, what is important for all of us is practice of this subject. Am I right? Now, to improve, what will I suggest? For improvement in this subject, I will suggest practice maths every day. Preferably at night time, post your dinner, that is 9:30 to 10:30, maths practice करो. मैं ये बोलूंगा. चलो वसुंधरा will sit and practice maths. Neil will sit and practice maths. Okay? लेकिन ये मैथ्स प्रैक्टिस करने के बाद क्या मैं मैथ्स सही सॉल्व कर रहा हूं कि गलत सॉल्व कर रहा हूं? हाउ विल आई कम टू नो? Am I right? Even that's a big question. Earlier, we had no solution for this problem. Am I clear? Earlier, parents used to supervise whether the child is solving maths or no. Yes or no? But tomorrow onwards, what I have done is 9:30 to 10:30. I repeat, 9:30 to 10:30, you will be present on Zoom every day. I'll be giving you a timetable of the same. You will be presenting on the Zoom every day. Teacher will be there. Teacher will be giving you selected sums. Teacher will solve the sum along with you. You will solve at home, and simultaneously you will correct your sums. Basically, it is not teaching. Don't take me wrong. It is not teaching. It is practice. Am I clear? जब आप घर पे वहां से प्रैक्टिस कर रहे हो, सामने टीचर अपने घर से वो सम सॉल्व करेंगे. अगर टीचर नहीं होगा तो क्या करेंगे? आप सिर्फ सम सॉल्व करोगे. वो राइट है कि रॉन्ग है पता नहीं है, लेकिन जब टीचर सामने रहेगा, वो आपको गाइड करेगा कि ये सम को सॉल्व करने का स्टेप्स कैसा है, क्या लॉजिक है, क्या आंसर होना चाहिए. Am I clear? So this activity will start from tomorrow every day 9:30 to 10:30. Am I clear? Now you will take this in two ways. Sir, already हम लोग पे इतना बर्डन है, हम कितना करेंगे? अगर तुम लोग उस नाते लोगे ना, ट्रस्ट मी, कोई भी आपका इंप्रूवमेंट नहीं कर सकता. सिंपल है. मॉर्निंग 7 o'clock से लेके 1:30, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock तक आप स्कूल में हो, बराबर. उसके बाद आप क्लास आते हो, आपको स्कूल का होमवर्क रहेगा. तो बट ऑब्वियस है, अगर आपका मुझे इंप्रूवमेंट करना है तो मेरे पास वही टाइम स्लॉट अवेलेबल है, मैं उसके पहले नहीं कर सकता. Is that clear, everyone? So the time available with my teacher is only post 9 o'clock. You're getting me? जब मेरा टीचर अवेलेबल है तभी आप अवेलेबल नहीं हो. 2:30 से 8:30 के बीच में मेरे टीचर्स भी लेक्चर्स में पैक है. तो when can my teachers help you? My teachers can help you only after 9 o'clock. You're getting me? तो अगर आप ये समझते हो कि 9:30 से 10:30 हमारा वो टाइम भी निकल गया, तो कहीं ना कहीं टीचर का भी टाइम निकल ही गया है, याद रखो. बट द थिंग इज टीचर्स आर रेडी टू वर्क फॉर यू. सो इफ टीचर्स आर रेडी टू वर्क फॉर यू, आई वांट इनिशिएटिव फ्रॉम योर साइड आल्सो. इवन यू विल अटेंड लेक्चर. मैं आप लोगों को बाकायदा टाइम टेबल बना के दूंगा कि कौन से दिन कौन से चैप्टर का रेमेडियल होने वाला है करके. एम आई क्लियर एवरीवन? लाइक फॉर एग्जांपल, कल अगर रहेगा लेक्चर केमिस्ट्री का, ओके, केमिस्ट्री का फर्स्ट चैप्टर केमिकल रिएक्शन इक्वेशन. अभी रम्या बोलेगी सर केमिकल रिएक्शन इक्वेशन मुझे सब कुछ आता है. रम्या नीड नॉट अटेंड दैट सेशन. बट समवेयर पार्थ बोलता है नहीं सर मुझे ये लेसन में कॉन्फिडेंस नहीं है, मुझे बैठना है. तो आई वुड सजेस्ट पार्थ टू अटेंड दैट लेक्चर. इज दैट क्लियर एवरीवन? इसीलिए मैं लेक्चर के साथ साथ लेक्चर का लेसन का नाम भी दूंगा ताकि यू कम टू नो कि वो पर्टिकुलर टीचर उस लेक्चर में कौन सा टॉपिक रिवाइज करने वाला है करके. एम आई क्लियर एवरीवन? एम आई क्लियर एवरीवन? So I hope students will take benefit of this session and you will not consider it to be a burden for you. Trust me, it will be very useful for you. And this thing has never happened earlier. All thanks to the online sessions which took place 2 years, we have got this idea. We can use this in a better way. Am I clear, everyone? So it will be, timing will be fixed. Post 9 o'clock, that is 9:30 to 10:30. 45 minutes to 1 hour every day. Am I clear? And teacher will not teach the topics which are not taught. The teachers will teach the topic which was taught in summer, so that side by side हम लोग आगे का भी पढ़ रहे हैं and जो पीछे पढ़ा के हो गया है हम भूलेंगे नहीं, हम simultaneously उसको रिवाइज भी करते रहेंगे. Is that clear everybody? Okay, just a minute. Okay, students, please check your WhatsApp group. मैंने आपके WhatsApp ग्रुप पे जो बोर्ड ने सिलेबस डिलीट किया है, जिसको लेके हमेशा कंट्रोवर्सी होता है, स्कूल ने ये बोला, क्लासेस ने ये बोला, वो होता है ना, वो दूर कर दिया. तो बोर्ड ने जो भी सिलेबस ओमिट कर दिया है उसका पीडीएफ मैंने ग्रुप पे डाल दिया है. Am I clear? So that there is no controversy on what has to be studied and what not has to be studied. Is that clear? अभी गो थ्रू मत करो, बाद में अच्छे से मीटिंग के बाद गो थ्रू करो. Is that clear everyone? Okay. Next. Next. Just check. I have sent one link. That link is one of application which is called by the name of NCERT Books and Solutions. The name of the app is NCERT Books and Solution. The name of the app is NCERT Books and Solution. Download it application. उस application के अंदर आपको you will get plenty of chapter wise papers, sample papers, RD शर्मा के solved sums, सब कुछ available है उसके अंदर. Is that clear? तो download that application. It is available on Android. Download करो. It will be very useful for you. Is that clear, everyone? So, what all things are discussed in this session? Number one, the late night, that is 9:30 to 10:30, maths, science every day. Number two, I have given you the deleted syllabus ka PDF. Number three, I have given you the NCERT app ka link. Download that application on your Android. Is that clear? Again, I repeat, in that application, you will get your textbook of NCERT. You will get plenty of study material like chapter-wise paper, sample paper, etc., which will be very, very useful for you when it comes to additional practice. Is that clear? Yog, The students and parents who have joined late, don't worry. I have recorded this meeting. I'll be sending this recording on the WhatsApp group so that you can take it from there, whatever you have missed. Am I clear? Okay. So this is what I wanted to communicate to all of you on an urgent basis so that you don't miss out on the session from tomorrow. Am I clear? So I'll be posting the meeting ID and password on the group. Everybody will join for this lectures. Am I clear? Thank you so much, everyone. Enjoy your Sunday. Bye-bye and take care.